Okay guys, so this is our afternoon session. So this is day session 2, day 7. So 10, 14, 2025. So our starting balance is 19. 19. So let's get a target. Let's target 2-4 or 2-5, just like that. So let's go 2-5 para 2-5 para ang tawag dito, para eksakto 2k na. So let's target 2-5. Okay, let's target 2-5. I want to play full screen, so wag na full screen here. So let's target 2-5. 2-5, so 19 to 2-5, it's 600. It's more than 2 units. That's all right. So let's go here. First bet on the player. So banker. So I will not bet here. I can bet here. So 3 bets. So let's go. 3 bets, 1 player, 2 on banker. There you go. 5 versus 3 versus 4. I lost. Win this one. Please, okay. I win this one. Didn't bet here. Wasn't able to bet here. I should have won this one too. So it's alright. 3 versus 9 versus 1. I lost. So I win the player bet, but I lost the banker bet. So let's go 200. Go here and let's go here. So got 2 unit already. Got 2 units already. So this will be our, oh no, another difficult. I lost again here. So this will be our 4th bullet. Also lost here. 4th, and then we still have 1 bullet left. After that we lost. So we will be break even again. But we won't. Okay, we won't lose. We lost here. So it's alright. We're up. I'm not gonna bet here. So 200. So for you guys who want to know what I am doing, so you can just PM me. So if you have questions regarding this strategy, tutorials, I can help you. I can tutor. I can, what do you call this, teach you for free. So another thing, strategy and bankroll discipline. That's the most important thing about this is the discipline. You can lose, why not, because there's a house edge, but still if you have discipline, you won't go broke. So only play money that you can afford to lose. Do not bet what you cannot afford. Do not bet the money that you will buy medicine, foods, rent, what else, uh, anything that's important. Priority your family, priority the expenses. Do not priority gambling. Gambling is just entertainment. So do not make this your priority. This is not, what do you call this, this won't make you rich fast. No, this is not get rich scheme like that. Just enjoy. So just enjoy the game. You can play with strategy, you can play without strategy, just enjoy. But for me, I play with strategy. I'm enjoying using the strategy. I enjoy playing using strategy. And with the strategy, I can prolong my bankroll just like this. Okay, I can prolong my bankroll, and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. I'm testing it here now. So I lost and I win, but I lost the 100 bet, so I'll bet 200. So we're getting close to our target. If you have a gambling problem, gambling addiction, please contact the professional advice. Okay, please contact professional advice. There are people that can help you. Okay, for me, you can also contact me. Even though I'm gambling, I'm with discipline. I'm gambling with discipline. So I don't, as you can see, I have a lot. I don't gamble what I cannot afford to lose. As you can see, I only gamble 50 pesos per bet, 1.5 per cash in. So that's not totally a lot. That's not really a lot. I lost. Oh fuck. T6. Not okay. I can bet. I can still bet here. So that's all. I gamble. I'm an agent, but I don't advise you to gamble if you have a gambling addiction problem. Please stop gambling immediately. Not only you will have the problem. Your family will also have a problem. Everyone that is close to you will be affected. So that's why I advise you to stop gambling if you have a gambling problem, gambling addiction. So I lost that one. Okay, let's focus here. Let's get back here. I lost again. Maybe if I lost this, what do you call this? Okay, 400. This session, I'm gonna go break even. I'm still break even if I lost this session. Okay. Okay, even if I lost this session, I'm still break even. But I think I'm still gonna win this session. Okay, I know I'm gonna win this session. Okay, where at we? Where are we now? Is this our last bet? Maybe this is the last. Maybe not. Still have 2 units maybe. Picture. Oh no, I lost again. It's a tie. I still okay. Let's just wait for another trigger. Let's just wait for another chance. Another 8. We're having hard time winning here. So let's go 4H. Let's go 4H. I still have two bullets left. Even if I lose, I just gonna cash in 500. 800. So we need to win here. But I'm not gonna lose today. Okay. I think I'm gonna win today. So this will be my last bet. My last unit. I think I'm gonna get it right now. Oh no, not yet. Right now I'm gonna get it. Okay, 6. Okay, and I win again this session. So I win this session again. So guys, so let's record it. So 2405 2405, we're gonna cash out 500. So we're gonna target nga pala 500 to 5. So let's go. We still have what do you call this, 2 units left. So okay, 2 units. We get 2 units. Hopefully we don't get bust with these 2 units because what do you call this, I will regret this. I'm gonna cash out, then hopefully we don't get bust with this 3 units. Okay, 2 units. Okay, last one unit. Hopefully I don't get bust with this 1 unit, because I gonna regret that. I gonna go cash out and with the 2 units I get bust. Ha. But hopefully we get that 1 unit successfully. Okay, let's go guys. This will be our last unit. So as I continue, please gamble in moderation. Do not gamble what you cannot afford to lose. Only have budget for this. For example, me, I only have 1,500 for 15 days, half a week. So that's it for this session. We get 10 units, so we get our target. Not That's 12 units total, really. We get our but still we get our target. So 2.5, so let's cash out 2.5. 2.5 Gcash. Okay, I want it on Gcash. So okay, there you go. We cashed out the 500 pesos. So let's record it. 2.5. So we get 600. So cash out 500. So we're gonna have 500. So for the second time, we got a green. We got a green. So this is red. This is negative 1,000. So this is red. So for the first time, we got a green here. Hopefully it will continue. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for always watching my games. So that's all.